The faces of a cube are painted 6 different colors: red, white, green, brown, aqua, and purple. 3 views of the same cube are shown, each giving the top, front, and right faces. In view 1, the top is brown, the front is red, and the right is green. In view 2, the top is aqua, the front is white, and the right is brown. In view 3, the top is red, the front is purple, and the right is aqua. What is the color of the face opposite the aqua face? A. Red. B. White. C. Green. D. Brown. E. Purple. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Here is the key idea. 2 faces that appear together in one view must be next to each other on the cube. So find every color that is adjacent to aqua. Look at view 2. Aqua is on top, so it touches white in front and brown on the right. Now look at view 3. Aqua is on the right, so it touches red on top and purple in front. So aqua is next to white, brown, red, and purple. 4 different faces. The 6 colors are red, white, green, brown, aqua, and purple. Cross off aqua itself and its 4 neighbors. And only one color is left: green. A cube face touches 4 faces and is opposite exactly 1. So green must be opposite aqua. The face opposite the aqua face is green. The answer is green.